In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a favicon not showing on a Wix website. A favicon, for those who may not know, is that small icon displayed at the top of a browser tab next to your site's title. It's a key part of your site's branding, giving it a polished professional look. So if it's not showing up on your Wix site, let's dive in and fix that. To start, you'll want to go to your browser settings. Now, depending on which browser you're using, this might look a little different, but generally, you can find your settings by looking for a menu icon, often depicted with three dots or lines, typically located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, make your way to Settings. Your browser settings are where you manage all your internet preferences and settings, so don't worry, we're not venturing into uncharted territories here. Once you've reached your browser settings, the next step is to locate the option to clear your browsing data, cache, and cookies. Now, clearing your cache and cookies is a standard troubleshooting step that helps resolve a variety of issues, including the infamous favicon not displaying correctly. As you search through your settings, look for a section that might say Privacy and Security. This is usually where you'll find the option to clear your browsing data. Look specifically for something labeled Clear Browsing Data or Clear History. Here, you should see options that include data like browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. What you need to do is select these options, especially the cached images and files, because this is where remnants of your previous site visits are stored, and sometimes these files can get outdated or corrupted, causing issues with features like your favicon displaying properly. After your selections, there's usually a button you need to click, often labeled Clear Data or Clear Now. When you do this, your browser will erase the stored data, which can refresh how websites appear next time you load them. Once the process is complete, return to your Wix site to check if your favicon is now showing. This process can occasionally take a moment since you might need to reload your browser or even restart it entirely for the changes to take effect. Give that a try and see if your favicon pops up. And there you have it. Your Wix website should now be sporting that tiny piece of branding that adds an element of professionalism and personalization to your site. If it's still not showing, there may be more to explore regarding how the favicon was uploaded or formatted, but often clearing your cache does the trick. Thank you for tuning in, and happy website building!